Here, as you can see, guys, today we are discussing about the celestial unit of life. And here is the main point of this chapter that you should keep in your mind. First one thing that the cell is the structure and fundamental structure and functions of the living organism. And first cell described living cell is Tony von Leeuwenhoek and Robert Brown is discovered the nucleus. Slided and Swan give the cell theory, and fifth one unicellular cell is discovered by the Rudolf Virchow, and it is also give the final shape of cell theory. Cell that have a membrane-bound nucleus is called eukaryotic, and cell have a lack the membrane-bound nucleus and lack nucleus is called prokaryotic. Ribosome are non-membrane-bound cell organelles found in our cell. Smallest cell in mycoplasma is 0.3 micrometer in length. The four basic shapes of bacteria are bacillus, rod-like, coccus, spherical, vibrio, composite, and spirillum spiral shape. And main point is the atypical eukaryotic cell is 10 to 20 micrometer in size, and size of virus is 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. The many bacteria have a small circular DNA in addition to cellular DNA is called plasmids. And as you can see, guys, the 11th point is the bacteria enfolding of cell membrane is called mesosome. This is characteristics of prokaryotics mainly. The cell membrane of prokaryotic cell consists of a glycocalyx, cell wall, and plasma membrane. Some prokaryotic glycocalyx is could be loose, it is called slime layer, and sometimes it may be thick and called tough is called capsule. In bacteria, cell wall is determine the shape of cell and provide structure support. 15 point in cyanobacteria, the membrane extension inside the cytoplasm is called chromatophore or contain pigment. Motile bacteria have a thin filamentous extension to form the cell wall is called plasma, composed of three parts filaments, hooks, and basal bodies. Filament is the longest portion and cell surface to outside. Surface structure present in the bacteria are flash lapilli and fimbriae. Ribosome are 50 to 20 nanometer size. Its size is 50 to 20 nanometer and two subunits present on there. Prokaryotic have a 70S type ribosome. Its two subunits 50 and 30S subunits. And in case of eukaryotic 80S ribosome, its subunits 60 and 40S. Several ribosomes attached on single mRNA. This chain form is called polysome and polyribosome. Reserve material is in prokaryotic cell are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Mainly stored material in the cytoplasm in the exclusion bodies. The cell membrane is composed of lipids that are arranged in a bilayer form. The membrane contains protein and carbohydrate. Human membrane of the erythrocytes has 52% protein and 40% lipids. According to fluid mosaic model, positive fluid nature of lipids enable the lateral movement of protein. Within the overall bilayer, the made of the single ionic cohesion, the movement of the water by diffusion across plasma membrane is called osmosis. Sodium potassium pump example of active transport. The primary cell wall of plant cell is capable of growth and secondary cell wall is formed inner towards the membrane side of the cell. The middle layer chiefly made up of calcium carbide, calcium peptide, which glue neighboring cell together, and plasmodesmata connect the cytoplasm of neighboring cell. Mainly plasmodesmata is connect to the cytoplasm.